Yeah. Pressure out here, Kev. Pressure. Ooh-wee. What's good? How y'all feeling? We at Dunham's. Been a minute. They just now want to open. I gotta come fill it up. I told y'all what I was gonna do and how I was gonna do it. I'm applying nothing but pressure, so I gotta fill it up. And when I fill it up, I'm applying pressure. My bros came in here before me though. This is my first time ever in Dunham's. You know, like Dick's Sporting Goods. There they go. There they go. They went to the weaponry. I just wanted, you know, to let y'all know I'm not playing with nobody. You feel me? Y'all know I don't play. Y'all watch that video Jody did on me. What you looking at right now?
You feel me?
That bitch look. So you like the work they got on there? Okay.
You know, just a little something. You feel me?
Okay.
Or you know, might go ahead and grab
that
this.
bitch beautiful. It's 149.
It is.
And you know that bitch gonna spit. Oh, you paying for the attachments? That's what you basically paying for. That's that extra 49.
Nah, okay, you paying that because it looked like that. You know what I'm saying? I mean, look at that bitch. That's
See, I
right.
could have came in here and grabbed a gun in this bitch. I'm just gonna get some bullets. Niggas, we out here living life, cuz.
Hey, you got to, man. You gotta have fun. You only get one.
You feel me? Talk to him, D, cuz.
I'm trying to
Look, my nigga want a gun.
Dude, I'm waiting. I need some service.
Son, why not?
You got one? What you need another one for?
What, a paintball gun?
Yeah. What are you talking about? What
You talking about that? That
this?
Fortnite bitch?
You talking about that?
He talking about this gun.
You talking about that? That was just for a little jokey joke. That's just for a little jokey joke.
Oh, how much
That
is that
nigga
one?
tripping.
That bitch only $30.
Oh, so it ain't no paintball gun?
It is a paintball gun, but
What
it's
is
like
this?
a cockback.
Yeah.
It ain't no automatic like ours.
Look at that.
This boy wet. My nigga Jody might get it. You know, he might. But we gotta find out if it's automatic. He said big. Son, you wanna know what's so crazy? Yours costs way more than both ours. You know that, right? You know that if you would have bought that in store. I'm just saying. He talking about big, nigga. It's 150. Yours would be like a good 250. We gonna see if you know how to shoot that bitch though.
That bitch just look dope as hell. You got all this shit for nothing. Don't none of that shit mean nothing.
But it's the attachment, son. It make the gun look good.
That's what I said.
So the gun is actually probably like $100. You know, that's an extra $50 for the attachments.
Make you laugh and that shit ain't cool.
Boy, hell no. Boy, it better be. That shit brand new.
See, you ain't hear no air come out yet.
All right, then I'm gonna have to buy one. No, you wanna know what's so crazy? It was. I watched him. It's just yours was broke and he had to fix the tube because yours broke the tube.
Okay.
I had to get a Target, you feel me?
I'm trying to find a big one.
We both got one.
Fuck the 20. I'm trying to get like a 30 one.
Yeah. That boy big though. Them boys over there big though. Them big. I just got a $20 bitch. Only reason is because I can't. Our guns is like assaults.
If I ain't had to paint, I would have bought it.
So
I got
these right here, it can take the pressure. All we gotta do is wash it off. Once we wash it off, we good. We just, if it stay, it stay. It is what it is. It's paintballs anyway. Y'all, if y'all new to this channel right now, hey, subscribe to the dog. Hold on, focus. Subscribe to the game. You feel me? Yeah.
pay back here.
Applying all nothing but pressure.
20 in the one. That was,
Oh no, that's that one.
yeah,
This
20
one.
in that one. That's the one that wouldn't take.
Look, now he want the gun, and now he want to buy a can though. I said that. I said that. That's crazy.
3 hours later.
Now he want to get a gun. You got the can too?
Yeah.
You was chilling. This nigga was chilling. Hey, we out here. This bitch heavy as hell. We out here. Let's show talk to her, Jody said. Hey.
Talk to him. Talk to him. Feel me?
I'm about to shoot one good time. Jody, get me real
Oh.
quick. Say it ain't feel that. Hey, how I look with it though, good?
I see you,
Hold on.
son. Look. Duh. My nigga.
I ain't shoot my shit.
This nigga tripping. Shoot that bitch one more time. Damn. Hey.
Damn, I done fucked up.
Look at this nigga, bro. Damn. Gotta go. Rinse your shit out. Dog, hell no, bro. That shit.
No, look. I didn't. First couple of shots though. I'm back. We back. I cleaned it. I was tripping. Cause I was shooting it with my son, and I messed around and got some stuck.
He out here tripping. Oh, that is like a spitter, boy. Can't just come back by here real quick.
Let's try it again. We about to try this again.
See, that bitch spitting, B. That bitch spitting, B.
Hey, that boy spit.
I only got this only the.
Go ahead.
Hold that.
Oh, this bitch heavy, boy.
Hey, you feel me? I was tearing that motherfucker up.
Oh, let's look at the targets. We out here. We not playing. You feel me? Like you gonna have to finish it out. Ooh. They ain't smacking. They not breaking. Ooh.
I'm just running out of air.
Oh, damn.
Shoot that bitch.
For real. Hey, for real. I see what I was just doing, cuz it's pressure, man. Nothing but that pressure, cuz. This what I do when I get you down and I finished it, I'm coming up on you like these. You feel me? Finish you off. Like that. Yeah. Like that. Hold on, do it one more time. Hold on. Alright.
That bitch tote. My shit ain't on.
The red boys look nice. One more time. Ah.
We tearing these damn targets up. This nigga fire as hell. It's too much wind. Damn. Y'all hear it? Hey, that shit sound like a real bullet. That bitch say, phew. Your shit sound crazy though.
Son, come lay your gun down.
Huh?
Come lay your gun down real quick.
What?
Lay your gun down real quick. Feel me? I ain't in the way, man. Yeah. Pressure out here, Kev. Pressure. That bitch so wet, dog. My nigga mad right now.
He can't shoot this shit.
He mad he can't shoot this shit right now. He can shoot it, but he can't shoot it. He'll be alright. You my nigga though. Look, he's straight though. All his gun don't got is this. Like right here. That's all. He just gotta get that. Other than that, he's straight. Man. We'll be back out here, guys. Don't trip.
This nigga silly as hell.
For real. We'll be back out here, guys. I gotta get some paintballs real quick. Hold up. Yeah. He ain't hit it yet. That's crazy. Almost. Ooh, oh, he hit it. Ooh. Yes. Oh, okay. Hey, son, you hit it a couple times. Let me shoot that more. Hey. Let me shoot. Hey. I ain't shoot it last time. Hey. Ain't I hit it by the fence, no.
I hit it with my gun.
My bun, though. I heard that.
You said my gun.
No, you said my bun. I heard that nigga. Yeah, my shit. Damn, that bitch. Barely. Ah, you got it? Hold on. Ah, this bitch went. Hold on, son. Oh, hold on, son. Shoot that shit one more time. Hold on.
Smoke coming out of it. I already got it when you was shooting. You bust that. There you go.
Oh, I hear that? Hold on, son. I was over here though. I was going crazy right there. I put you down. Hey, if you like this video, man, like this video, comment, man, subscribe to the channel and my dog's channel if y'all new. Hold this real quick.
It's a cold world we live in. One where love can turn into hate, and real is almost always fake.